Girl group Nature's official Instagram post left fans baffled. On the early morning of January 4 KST, a post on Nature's official Instagram left many fans baffled. The group's official Instagram account wrote, "Nature can't flop like this." Many fans reacted they have never seen a K-pop group's official social media account post something like that. Some of the comments were, "Why don't you first promote them in the right way? I haven't really heard about their new music for a while." This is not even a good negative marketing. I hope their account got hacked. If this is marketing, then I have no words to say. I'm embarrassed for them. The said post has now been deleted without any announcement from Nature's label N. Ch.